Hey there, my fellow foodies. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am super excited to bring you a mouth-watering video where we'll explore the top 5 most delicious meat dishes from around the world. Get ready to satisfy your carnivorous cravings and embark on this culinary adventure with me. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Get ready for a sizzling start with our first dish, the smoky and succulent barbecue ribs. These ribs are slow-cooked to perfection, slathered with a finger-licking barbecue sauce that will leave you craving for more. With every bite, you'll experience the perfect balance of tenderness and that tangy, caramelized crust. Trust me, this dish is truly a melt-in-your-mouth sensation. Next up, we have the king of all steaks, the mouth-watering beef tenderloin. Prepared with utmost precision, this dish boasts a heavenly combination of melt-in-your-mouth tenderness and an intense, beefy flavor. Served with a delectable mushroom sauce and a side of garlic mashed potatoes, this steak is an absolute sensation that will truly elevate your taste buds to another level. Now let's take a gastronomic journey to South America with the incredible Brazilian churrasco. Picture this: perfectly grilled skewers of seasoned meats, ranging from juicy picanha to mouth-watering lamb chops. The flavors are truly out of this world. This cultural masterpiece will transport you to the vibrant streets of Brazil, where every bite is an explosion of savory goodness. Get ready to experience a burst of flavors with our next dish, the iconic Thai green curry with succulent chicken. This aromatic curry combines the creaminess of coconut milk, the spiciness of green chilies, and the freshness of herbs like lemongrass and basil. The tender chicken absorbs all these incredible flavors, creating a harmonious blend that will transport you to the bustling streets of Thailand. Last but not least, we couldn't forget the ultimate comfort food, the classic Italian spaghetti bolognese. This hearty dish combines al dente pasta with a rich tomato-based sauce, infused with aromatic herbs, and a generous amount of ground meat. Every twirl of the fork will make you savor the ultimate coziness and nostalgia of this timeless dish. We hope you enjoyed our top 5 most delicious meat dishes. Be sure to subscribe for more.